Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, as you can see, my gutters needs cleaning. I've let them go a little bit here. I've got some pine trees here. You can get the needles in here and everything. So let me show you an easy way to clean this up. Get you a spatula. I mean, talk to the wife before you take hers. But get you a cheap spatula. You can buy them at the dollar store. Everything, and then you can scoop up, and what I like to use is plastic bags. Scoop it up, and you can throw it on the ground if you want to, but these works great cleaning out gutters. And always remember when you're climbing on a ladder, cleaning this stuff, be careful. So I hope this helps somebody that's cleaning out their gutters. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.